Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the find option in MS Word. So in the home menu, we have the option called as find. So in the find, type find what? THED. So find next. The will be highlighted. Wherever the word is the is there, those will be highlighted. You can see other here also the is there, they, the, then, the, these, them. So in these words also the word is there. So I need to find the word called as the only with the single word, not mixed with other words. Then use the option called as find whole words. So find next. So you can see that the highlighted only with the single word, not mixed with the other word. So you can see we have finished searching the document. Suppose if the is in a capital letters or a small letters, I need to find only in the capital. Type find what as a capital. Use the option called as match case. Find next. So the it is finding only with the capital letters the. Suppose if you want wildcards are nothing but an sounds like a English, same exactly. If there are two words, sun and sun, both are different words with a different meaning, but the pronunciation will be same. So for those words, you need to use the option called as sounds like English. So type the word example like sun, sun. So both are highlighting. Both are different words with the same pronunciation. So this is how we're going to use the option called as find in MS Word. It's advanced find by using match case, find whole words and sounds like English. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the CAD NEST channel.